In my last video, I taught you verbs. Different type of verbs I taught you. In this video, I am giving you some exercises to note. Dear student, write the form of the verb that agrees with the subject. That is, this is subject verb agreement exercise. You will have to use verb according to subject. जैसे if there is subject is plural, you will have to use singular verb. If there is singular subject, you will have to use plural verb. For example, Johnny runs, the boys run. How many subject is Johnny? Johnny is only one subject, one boy. Johnny is one boy, so we make verb plural. The boys run. How many boys? Many boys. That is more than one boys. एक बॉय से ज़्यादा बॉयज है तो we use run. That is plural verb. So write the form of the verb that agrees with the subject. The first sentence is the children collect Pokemon cards. To collect is given in the bracket. Children. How many children? Many children. That is more than one child. So we use singular verb. Angela puts ketchup on her eggs. To put is given. Angela is a girl. Only one girl is there. So we use plural verb. Puts. He dashed that I am a nice friend. To think is given in the bracket. So here students, this is one thing to mind that he, what is the subject? He is subject here. He is singular subject. So we make our verb plural. He thinks. Next, they dash home after school to walk. They, plural subject. So we make our verb singular. We dash water instead of juice. It is better for us to drink is given in the bracket. We, which kind of subject is we? We is plural subject. So we use singular verb. Drink. We drink water instead of juice. It is better for us. Next, I dash with my mother every day. To talk is given in the bracket. I is first person pronoun. This is one important thing, student, that when we write I is used as plural. We use singular verb with I. I talk with my mother every day. Next, you dash excellent spaghetti sauce to make. You dash excellent spaghetti sauce to make. Make is verb here. You is plural subject. So we use singular verb with you. You make excellent spaghetti sauce. Next, she does really fast. For her is. To type is given. She is singular subject. So we use plural verb here. She types really fast. For her is. It dash like it will rain. To look is given. Could you tell me which kind of verb we will use here? Firstly, tell me subject. Definitely, it is subject. Which kind of verb we will use? Yes, we will use plural verb here. So it looks like it will rain. Got it, students? Next, we dash our bikes to our friend's house. To ride is given in the bracket. Which kind of verb, which kind of subject is here? Definitely, it is we. We is subject here. We is plural subject. So, we use which kind of verb we use here? Yes, oh yes. We use singular verb here. We ride our bikes to our friend's house. Next, he dash his room every week. To clean is given in the bracket. He. What is subject here? He. Which kind of verb we use here? Definitely, if subject is singular, we use verb plural. He cleans his room every week. Next, the teacher dash the students while they work. How many teachers? Only one teacher is here. What is subject? Subject is teacher, that is teacher is user. To observe is given. Yeah, definitely. We make our verb plural. So, we say the teacher observes the student while they work. Have you got it, students? Okay, now you will have to note this exercise in your notebook and I will see you in